DJI has been nipping at GoPro's heels for a while now, but they've often fallen short in delivering that killer feature that puts them over the top. But it looks like that's about to change. We've got some exciting leaks about DJI's upcoming Osmo Action 5 Pro that you won't want to miss. Could this be the GoPro killer we've all been waiting for? Let's dive right in. DJI is set to unveil its latest action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro, and it's already generating a lot of buzz. Historically, DJI's Osmo Action series has been a strong contender against GoPro, but has often missed a few key features. However, with the introduction of the Pro model, DJI is aiming to change the game. Last year, DJI launched the Osmo Action 4 in August, ahead of GoPro's release schedule. It looks like DJI might follow a similar strategy this year, with leaks suggesting a potential release for the Action 5 Pro in the last week of August. And here's the kicker. There's speculation that DJI might release two variants this time, a base model and a Pro version with enhanced features. So, what makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro a potential game changer? First off, let's talk about the camera sensor. Rumor has it that the Pro model will feature a larger 1-inch sensor, similar to the one found in the Osmo Pocket 3. This could allow the Action 5 Pro to shoot 5K videos at up to 60 frames per second, although this isn't confirmed yet. A larger sensor means better image quality, especially in low-light conditions, something action cameras have traditionally struggled with. The Osmo Pocket 3 has already shown us just how much of a difference this can make, and we're expecting similar results from the Action 5 Pro. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is expected to retain the robust, square-shaped body and dual touch displays that we've come to love. But one potential upgrade that could set it apart is seamless connectivity with wireless microphones. The built-in microphone on previous models has been, let's face it, subpar at canceling background noise. If DJI can nail wireless mic connectivity, this would be a huge win for filmmakers and content creators alike. Let's get technical for a moment. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is rumored to retain the 1.3-inch CMOS sensor from its predecessor, but with some anticipated upgrades. We're talking about an aperture of f2.8, a 155-degree field of view, and a battery boost to 1,950 mAh. Plus, the integration of Wi-Fi 6 could mean faster and more reliable connectivity. Despite all these improvements, GoPro still has the edge in certain areas, like image sharpness. But if DJI can deliver on these rumored upgrades, the Action 5 Pro could finally outshine GoPro's hero cameras in terms of resolution and overall performance. In short, the Osmo Action 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the action camera market. Its anticipated release in August has fans eagerly awaiting to see if DJI can finally surpass GoPro. What do you think? Will the Pro tag make a significant difference? And can DJI finally take the crown from GoPro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates.